Hi guys! So today's makeup video is made with all ingredients you can find in your kitchen. So keep watching to see how I got this with just a few food ingredients. The things that you are going to need are a pink dragon fruit or a fully cooked beet, cocoa powder, rice flour, and coconut oil. So first I'm going to start by using the pink dragon fruit, and here I'm eating it, and now I'm rubbing it on my face. So this is very buildable. I went a little bit darker than I would have liked, but I was trying to show that you can really build the color. And I'm just rubbing it all over my cheeks. It's kind of like a gel or liquid blush. And then I'm just going to pat it in with a tissue paper to kind of blend it and take away some of the moisture. Now on a medium fluffy brush, I'm using the cocoa powder to kind of bronze and contour my face. This is a little bit hard to work with, but overall I think the color was very nice. This takes lots and lots of blending, and I continue to blend off camera when I looked in the mirror. But now I'm going in with a large fluffy brush, and with my rice flour I'm blending everything together, and this is also taking away any shine I have on my face. I actually thought this worked really well as a powder. So unfortunately, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, and I filled in my eyebrows with a small angled brush, also using the cocoa powder, and I thought it actually came out really well. So sorry we missed that on camera, but you can see that my eyebrows are now filled in. But now I'm using the coconut oil as a highlight, and then I'm dabbing it with a paper towel to take some of the shine away because it's very shiny. For lips, we're going back in with the dragon fruit, and we're rubbing this all over our lips. If you let it dry between applications, you can build the color really, really nicely. Okay, so now I'm using a crease brush, and I'm going to apply some of the cocoa powder to my eyelids. This was probably my least favorite step long term because I don't feel like this lasted throughout the day because there was nothing to set it, so it kind of settled into my crease. So not a big fan of this step. Now with a little bit of coconut oil, I'm running this over my lashes to darken them. Ironically, the eyebrows were my favorite part, and that was the one thing that I didn't get on camera, but yeah. Okay guys, here's how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching, and please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.